Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're making bacon wrapped Reuben style hot dogs, and it's going to be mighty fine, I tell you. And right here's the ingredients that you'll need. It's going to be very simple. Just some thin sliced bacon, and I'd recommend using thin slice because I think it works better. And we're going to be using these beef hot dogs, bun length. Also some baby Swiss cheese and some hot dog buns. I got these Food City fresh hot dog buns. Really like them. They're really, really good. Thousand Island dressing and some sauerkraut. Now let's get started, y'all. Alright, I'm only going to be doing 4 of these today. So I got 4 hot dogs, 4 slices of bacon. I'm going to stick that hot dog right there. I'm going to put this toothpick in it at an angle like that. And just going to pull it. And just get it all wrapped up. Then we get to the end. Put another toothpick in it. You don't have to have the toothpicks, but it does help hold the bacon on there. I've done it without toothpicks, and the bacon does still stay on there, but I put toothpicks on there just to make sure it's good and secure. But we'll get all them done. Now that we got them all wrapped in bacon, we got them on a sheet pan just lined with aluminum foil, and our oven is preheated right now at 400 degrees. And we're going to add on just a good amount of cracked black pepper because that goes really, really well with all the flavors going on in this. And that's pretty much the only seasoning that you need with this. Get them all peppered up. And now I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the oven for probably about 20 to 30 minutes, just until the bacon gets done to your desired consistency. Going in the oven. After about 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and come in here, just give them a flip, and we'll let them cook for probably another additional 15 minutes or so. So after about 30 minutes, and we flipped them halfway through at the 15 mark, we went ahead and flipped them. They are done. And I'm going to pull the toothpicks out of them, and we'll get started building this bad boy. Man, it's going to be mighty fine, I tell you. I opened up this can of sauerkraut. We're just going to take and like that and strain the liquid out of it. Now to build these hot dog buns, I got 2 of our fresh hot dog buns that we got from the Food City bakery. Just going to cut them right down the center here. And you don't have to use fresh ones, you can use store-bought ones, they're fine. Take one of our dogs, put in there. I'm going to show you 2 ways here. I posted a picture on Facebook there a while back and of these a couple weeks ago. Everyone seemed to like them, but if you want a better presentation, I think you could take 2 dogs or just get some bigger dogs or something. Cut one in half, put it like that. That way it sticks out like that. It just looks better. See it? Okay. Now right here is our sauerkraut. We strained most of the liquid from it, or drained most of the liquid from it. Just going to put a little bit of sauerkraut on each one, as much as you like. Just like that. Man. These flavors just go so well together, man. It's just so good. Alright. Now we're going to get our baby Swiss cheese here. Just break it in half. Put over each one just like that. And now we got our oven on broil. I got it on low broil. So I'm just going to broil these things until they get how I like them. I want to get the bread a little bit brown and the cheese melty. Alright guys, you know what I done? I messed up and I put Gouda cheese on it and I put them in the oven and I figured that out. Anyways, oh well, we'll leave the Gouda on there and just go ahead and, heck, add a piece of Swiss on there. Sometimes people mess up, but it'll still be mighty fine. Now, I'm going to put it back in the oven, and I guess we'll have Gouda and Swiss on it. Okay, so these hot dogs are done. I'll get them on a plate and show you what we'll do next. Now, this is the time where we put our Thousand Island dressing on there. Do it like that. And you got Reuben style hot dogs. Except they got Gouda on them, but they'll still be mighty fine. Let's try them out. Hey, let me grab one of these bad boys. Man, Reuben style hot dog. Man, I'll tell you what. Now, that right there is one mighty fine hot dog, I tell you. Man. Cheers, guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.